Turkey's election campaign is going down the toilet after opposition leader Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu accused the president of using taxpayers' money to decorate his bathroom, most notably with a golden lavatory. Recep Tayyip Erdogan has responded by saying he'll launch a lawsuit. In an interview conducted in a palace room decorated with various golden furnishings, the president issued a challenge to the opposition leader. I invite him to please come and take a tour. I wonder if he'll be able to find such a golden toilet seat in any of these washrooms. If he finds it, I will resign from the presidency. If he can't find them, he will resign from his party.
Eğer bulursa ben Cumhurbaşkanlığı görevini bırakacağım.
The opposition has refused to step inside the building. Costing more than 500 million euros, Erdogan's 1,000-room palace has been the source of much criticism from the opposition, who say it was built on protected land.